I made $900 online as a beginner, and now we're using digital income to build our travel lifestyle and get back on the road full time. But here's the thing that most people get wrong, they think that you need years of savings. Today, I'm sharing our real numbers, our exact plan, and how we are making it happen. I'm Ashley. My husband's a disabled veteran, and a few years ago, we sold everything and we traveled full time with our dogs. We loved that life. But then the money ran out. Now, in my 40s and my husband's in his 50s, we're starting over. But instead of waiting till retirement and saving for decades, we are building digital income through the legacy builders. And I want to walk you through our roadmap to hit the road again. This time for good. Our budget goal for full time traveling is about $5,000 a month. That covers everything: monthly camper payment, KOA stays and other campgrounds, fuel, insurance, food, fun, entertainment, and a cushion just in case. For us, that breaks down to just 5 or 6 legacy builders sales per month. That's at the $900 level each because this program is 100% profit. In the next 90 days, my next milestone is 900 a month. Then it compounds from there. At 2K, we're covering stays and groceries. At 5K, we are fully funded to live life on the road. So, step 2 is to downsize and prepare. Over the winter, we're going to start selling things that we don't need, like furniture and things around the house, and building up a cushion. We are keeping both vehicles, but we're going to upgrade our camper we have before we leave. That's going to be an adventure in its own. Choosing the right upgrade to make full time sustainable and comfortable. So, step 3, the tools that make this easier. 2 tools are making this whole plan possible. The first one is the Legacy Builders program. This is my digital marketing system. It's how I create the income that makes full time travel realistic. The second one is ChatGPT. Honestly, this tool is my personal planning assistant. It helps me map content, it helps me brainstorm ideas, it even helps me stay organized with budgeting and trip planning. Between the two, I feel like I have both the money making piece and the planning piece working together. So, step 4, your timeline. Here's our actual timeline. In the next 90 days, my focus is to hit $900 a month. Over the winter, we're going to be downsizing, selling things, and stacking cash for a cushion. In the spring, we're going to be mapping our routes, booking campgrounds, and finalizing our upgraded camper. In June, we're going to hit the road. That's our goal. Right after I finish my commitments here in Texas, including serving as the treasurer for the Daughters of the American Revolution. Here's the best part. By then, our income will already be funding our travels, not draining our savings. Imagine waking up to a new place every week. Mountains one month, beaches the next, with income flowing in from your cell phone. That's our plan. Sustainable travel, fully funded digital income. No more someday. No more waiting until you're 70. Just freedom, adventure, and giving back all along the way. If you want to see how digital income can fund your freedom, subscribe and comment below. What's the first place that you would go if you could work from anywhere? And don't miss the next series because I'm going to show you the exact AI tools that I use to create content faster, grow my business, and move towards those 5 to 10K months. We'll see you there.